Hey, what's up guys, this is BD from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞 back with another video. So in this video, I will talk about legacy contact and how to enable it. So Apple has added a legacy contact feature in iOS 15.2. A legacy contact is someone you trust to have access to the data in your account after your death. So if you want someone to have your data or access your data after your death, you should definitely enable this feature. So before I tell you more about this feature and how to use it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon so you don't miss any update from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Now you might get the idea what legacy contact means. So now let me show you how to use it. So let's go to the settings app and here tap on your Apple ID or your face. Now here tap on password security. So here you will find legacy contact. Just tap on it and as you can see here it says legacy contact can access and download the data stored in your account after your death, and once you have added them, their name will shown over here. So let's add legacy contact. Here you will get the splash screen with some information on it. All that I said above are mentioned over here. So tap on add legacy contact below and it will scan your face ID and then you will get the contact list. So just select whom you want to give access to your data and the data that they have access to, photos, message, contact, etc. etc. Now tap on continue and here your access key is ready. With the help of this access key, your legacy contact can access your data after your death. As the contact that I have added doesn't have Apple device, otherwise here I will get the option for send message and I can send this legacy key via message. So now I can print copy of it or just take a screenshot and then send it to them. This legacy key will have QR code, some details on it. Legacy contact can scan it and have the access after my death. Now tap on next and here you will get legacy contact added. So you have successfully added legacy contact on your iPhone. Also, if you want to add multiple contacts, you can do that too. Or if you change your mind and remove someone from the list, just go to the legacy contact over here, tap on user and from here just remove the contact. So that's how you can add legacy contact on your iPhone running iOS 15.2 or newer. And it will take a minute, so I think everybody should do it and add their family member or close friends. So let me know what do you think about this feature and will you add someone on legacy contact or not. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Also subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.